Did you know that some animals you see every day are related to some you wouldn't expect? It may seem a little far-fetched, but science and genetics have made some surprising connections. So, here are the top 5 animals you probably didn't know were related. Starting at number 5, we have a rather unexpected duo, whales and cows. Yes, you heard it right. These two, at first glance, couldn't seem more different. One is a gigantic sea creature, the other a land-dwelling mammal, often seen grazing in fields. Yet they share a common ancestor, making them distant relatives. This commonality becomes apparent when you consider their similar digestive systems, both of which are designed for a plant-based diet. Moving on to number 4, we have the horseshoe crabs and spiders. Horseshoe crabs, with their hard exoskeletons and long pointed tails, seem like they'd be more closely related to crustaceans or other sea-dwelling creatures. However, their closest relatives are actually spiders and scorpions. This grouping, known as chelicerates, all share similar features, such as 2 main body segments and appendages that have been modified into mouthparts. Next up, at number 3, is a pair that might make you do a double take. Kangaroos and humans. It might be hard to see the resemblance, but it's there. Both humans and kangaroos belong to the mammalian group known as Theria, which includes animals that give birth to live young. Plus, kangaroos, like humans, are bipedal, meaning they move around on 2 legs. Coming in at number 2, we have bears and dogs. Now, this one might be a bit easier to see. Bears and dogs belong to the same biological family, Canidae. This means they share a common ancestor, and if you look closely, you can even see some physical similarities, like their snouts and certain aspects of their skeletal structure. Finally, at number 1, the most surprising pair of all, the Tyrannosaurus rex and chickens. It might seem like a joke, but it's not. Birds are the last living group of dinosaurs, and the chicken's closest dinosaur relative is none other than the mighty T-Rex. This fascinating link has been confirmed through genetic testing and fossil studies. In summary, nature truly is full of surprises. From whales and cows sharing a common ancestor to horseshoe crabs being more closely related to spiders than to other sea creatures. The connection between humans and kangaroos, the shared lineage of bears and dogs, and the astonishing link between the T-Rex and chickens all serve as reminders of the intricate and surprising web of life on our planet.